question from the last day's portion?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I will call Anina. Anina, are you ready to answer my question? Anina.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
See, yes. Who's calling Agni?
last time I was not there.
Okay, no problem. When we revise now, you can understand it. Okay. Say, Anina, we take in dash from the air. What? Oh, yes, very good. It is oxygen, right? We take in oxygen from the air. Good. Say another one. I will call Felix. Felix, are you ready, Felix?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me the first step in respiration? Can you tell me what is the first step in respiration? Can you tell me first step in respiration? You were not there. You were there now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then you can tell me what is the first step in respiration?
Breathing in oxygen
Okay, very
in
good.
the lungs.
Very good. Breathe in oxygen. What is the other name for that breathe in?
Inhale.
Very good. Inhale. Okay, so Agni, even though you missed that last day's class, you can understand it, right? There are two
And then
main
also I studied.
Okay, good. There are two main steps in respiration. First one is breathe in. What we are breathing? Oxygen. See, somebody is distracted. Ananda, please mute it. Okay, good. Okay, so when in the first step, we inhale oxygen. Okay, we inhale oxygen. So let me ask to Madhav. Madhav, are you ready? Madhav?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Can you tell me what is the second step in respiration?
Breathe out.
Breathe out. What you are breathing out?
Carbon dioxide.
Very good, very good. Carbon dioxide. So please help me. What is the other name of
here. Please rain. I can't hear anything.
Exhale.
Okay, exhale. Say, if you can't hear, I think most of you can hear my voice. So, if you can't hear means maybe the network is slow. Please wait, okay? But don't unmute it. Okay, please mute it and wait. So, these are the two steps in breathing. Another one. See, diaphragm plays an important role, right? In the last class, we learned about it. Diaphragm has an important role. So, dear students, please mute your audio. Felix, mute it. Let me check whose audio is not muted. I can hear some sounds from your house. Okay, everybody mute it. Pranav, you please mute. Pranav, please mute. Please. Okay. See, if you are not obeying me, see, this class will be get distracted. Okay, don't do that. See, when the diaphragm moves down, the oxygen from outside come into our body, right? When it moves upward, it pushes carbon dioxide from lungs to outside. Likewise, diaphragm plays an important role in inhaling and exhaling. That also we discussed it in the last class. Then another concept which we have discussed is why we need to breathe. Why we need to breathe. So let me ask you, Dia. Dia, please unmute. Dia, why we need to breathe? Why we need to breathe?
Ma'am, we need to breathe because
Because we need oxygen for many body functions.
Very good. We need oxygen for many of our body functions.
Example, running, exercise,
Yeah,
walking.
very good. Yes, for doing all sorts of activities, we need oxygen. Okay. And another one, if we are doing some heavy activities, we will be breathing more than the usual, more than the normal. Am I right? Okay. Am I right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
When we are engaged in some activities, we are breathing more than the normal. So what is the reason for that? What is the reason, Ananda? Please unmute Ananda. Ananda is not ready, I think. So Ananda, are you ready to answer my question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So tell me, when we are doing some activities, we will breathe faster than the usual. What is the reason at that time?
Ma'am, at
Yes.
that time, the heart pumps more blood.
Is that the correct answer? Is that the
Ma'am,
correct
can I tell?
answer? 1 minute. I will call Christo. Christo, Ananda, please mute it and listen, Christo. Christo,
Yes, ma'am.
why we breathe faster than usual if we do any activity?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question one more time?
Okay, sure. Why we breathe faster than usual? Why we breathe faster than usual when we do some activities?
We need more oxygen.
Yeah, very good. We need more oxygen to do that activities. Very good. Okay. So Ananda, listen it. While we do any.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Who is that?
Ma'am, what you took a little time before?
No, dear. I am just revising that last day's portions. Okay.
Ma'am, I had a small network.
Okay. No issues. No issues. Okay. So Ananda, please listen. Why we breathe faster than the usual when we do some activities? Because when we do some activities, our body needs more oxygen. Okay, so how we will get more oxygen? If we breathe faster than the usual. Okay, one more question to, Angelina. Angelina, okay, what is the normal breathing rate of an adult? What is the normal breathing rate of an adult? Breathing rate, Angelina? See? See? Unmute. 1 minute, Tanya. Please wait. Angelina, please unmute. It's not. Okay. Okay. Unmute it, please. It's not. Fast. Do it fast.
Ma'am, last class I was not there because I went to my mother's house.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I say
Felix is ready to answer it. Felix, please.
18 times?
18
18
times
times
per minute.
or minutes?
Yeah, very good. 18 times per minute. The normal breathing rate of
Ma'am,
an adult is
80 or 18?
18. 18.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, 18.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, breathing rate is 12 to 20 per minute, right?
See, adult breathing rate. Okay, a normal adult breathing rate is 18 times per minute. Okay, in a minute, 18 times we will breathe.
Thank you,
Sometimes
ma'am.
for the children, it may be faster or sometimes it may be lower than this. Okay, next one.
Why do children breathe more than adults?
Yeah. Because you are all very active, right? Than the adults. Huh? Thus you won't be sitting anywhere. So your body needs more oxygen. Okay. Now today we can see what happens if we blow air to a hot substance and to a cold substance. Okay. if it is, if the food substances, food items, if it is so hot, what you will do? What you will do if it is so hot or
Ma'am,
a
we
hot
will
milk?
blow. We will blow. Ma'am, we will blow.
Okay,
He'll blow.
you will usually
will
blow. Okay, you will usually, please mute it fast, mute it fast. You will or we will blow air on the hot food substances, right? Sometimes it may be a food substance, solid food substance, or otherwise sometimes drinks, hot milk, hot tea, like these things, right? So whenever we get these all, it is our tendency to blow it to get it down.
Ma'am,
The hot substance to cool, right? When we
Ma'am.
blow,
Yes, ma'am.
Catherine, please mute it.
Ma'am.
Alim, please mute it.
ma'am,
Oh,
ma'am,
yes,
ma'am,
yes.
here is raining. Can you say some more loudly?
Okay, I will
Here
try.
is raining.
Okay, I will try.
Yeah.
I will try. Okay, I think all can hear me loud in. Okay, let me. I will try it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear.
Ma'am, we
Okay,
can
okay.
hear.
I will check it.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, we can hear.
Okay, okay, I will check. See, when we blow to cool, blow it air on a hot substance, that will become cool. Why? How it become cool? Can anybody say that? Just raise it.
Ma'am,
Raise,
can I
raise
say?
your.
Ma'am, can I
Just
say?
raise your. Chris Joe, sure, sure.
Oxygen. It.
Oxygen. Hmm? Is it
Ma'am,
oxygen?
Ma'am,
One minute.
ma'am, can I tell?
the hot smoke will flew away fastly.
Okay, who told Richard? Richard. Okay. See. Okay,
Can I
let me give
Can I
chance
tell?
to Gautam also. All others, please mute it and listen. Gautam, tell me. Yes, you can tell. What happened?
Ma'am, when we blow, that air was very close
Cool. Okay.
from our mouth. So
Okay.
the hot fluid will go and it become cool.
Okay, good. Mute it. Okay, good. The air from the mouth is cooler than the food. Am I right? The air, when we blow air
Yes, ma'am.
on
Yes,
a
ma'am.
hot substance, the air from the mouth is cooler than the food. So it cools down the food. Okay? So when we blow air on a hot substance, as the air from our mouth is cooler than the food substance, it will become cool. On the same time, when we blow air on an ice cream, Pranav, what happens? Please unmute Pranav. Pranav, unmute it. I think Pranav.
Ma'am, can I tell?
1 minute, let me give Agne. Okay, please give a try. Okay, what happens when we blow air on an ice cream?
It melts.
Okay, why? Can you tell me why it melts? Why it melts? It's not cooling, it's not, again it is not cooling down. It starts to melt. Why? Yeah, 1 minute, please wait. All others, please wait. Don't unmute yourself. Okay. Agne, can you give me the reason? Okay, no problem. Amna, Fatima. Amna, please tell me why we blow air on the ice cream, it starts to melt. Why it is so?
Because the ice cream is already cooler than the air in our mouth.
Okay, so the air which comes out
Is cooler than our body temperature.
see the air which comes out of our mouth is hotter than it is warmer than the ice cream. Right? It is warmer than the ice cream. So the ice cream starts to melt. Okay. So when everybody please check whether it is muted or not. Amna, please mute it. So when we blow air on an ice cream, that the air which is warmer than the ice cream, that makes the ice cream to melt. Okay, so when we blow air to hot substance, that will become cold. But when we blow air on a cold substance, that will start to melt. Okay, so these two things we have to remind. Okay, another one. See, yeah, when you go to see doctor, when you are consulting a doctor, he will do a thorough checkup, right? He will check yourself. Which instrument? What is the name of that instrument?
Stethoscope.
Stethoscope. Okay, all of you know that. Okay,
Telescope.
all of you know that name of that instrument. Okay, okay. So stethoscope is an instrument used to hear sounds of breathing and heartbeats. That is an instrument used to hear the sound of heartbeats and also breathing. Okay, so Blesswin, are you ready, Blesswin? Blesswin, please say something. Blesswin. Okay, say some more loudly. Okay, so how the doctor can understand whether we are sick or not by using this stethoscope? How?
Can I tell?
1 minute. Ayman, Blessing, please mute it. Ayman, give it try.
Ma'am, because ma'am, when we normally breathe, it will be a usual one that we do in a day. When we have sick or fever, we'll go to the doctor and they will check with the stethoscope. So they will feel that there is some changes in our breathing.
Okay, good. Now, very good answer. Please mute it. See, here doctors use it to check the health of our body. Doctors used to check the health of our body. Our breathing and heartbeats change when we are unwell. If we are not in normal condition, the normal heartbeats and normal breathing rates, it will be changed. So by checking that sounds of breathing and heartbeat, doctor can understand we are sick or not. Okay, so a stethoscope is an instrument used to hear sounds of heartbeats and breathing.
Ma'am, they will tell to take deep breaths.
Yeah, yes, they will tell you, right? See, to take deep breath and all. When we take deep breath, if any infection is there in the lungs.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, but when I went to a doctor and
Okay.
he checked on my backbone if there is any problem like that with the stethoscope.
Ma'am, they will.
Why they are checking at the backside means sometimes we can hear that heartbeats and breathing sound more clearly if we are using it on the backside.
Because in front side rib cages are closed and we cannot get the clear sound.
Okay, so that is there. So get it more clear. Sometimes both the sides they can use. Okay, they can use it on both the sides. So this stethoscope is an instrument used by the doctors to hear the sound of breathing and heartbeat. Okay, so if we are not well, there will be some changes in our heartbeats and breathing rate. Through that, they can understand. Okay, so I think we finished our chapter, the second chapter, which is respiratory system. Okay, read the textbook. Read the textbook properly. Danay Krishna, I hope you have the textbook and workbook, right? Danay?
Excuse me, ma'am, but we didn't do the workbook questions.
Okay, we can do it. Next class onwards, we can do it. Okay, keep your workbook with you.
ma'am.
Okay, I will send a message regarding this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So I think it is time to wind up my session today. We
Ma'am.
can meet. Yes, we can meet it in next class.
No, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
It's only 54.
Okay. So thank you for informing me. So 2 more minutes I can use it. Okay. Okay. So at that time, just take the workbook.
minutes.
Okay. Just take the workbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Just take the workbook. Okay. I will call Angelina. Angelina, are you keeping your workbook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. So, Angelina, please read
Yes.
the first. I am asking only to Angelina. Okay, Angelina, please read
Yes,
the
ma'am.
first question. All others have to keep quiet.
Ma'am, in a respiratory system?
Yeah, which system we are learning now?
Respiratory system.
Okay, you know that respiratory system. So we can do some exercises from that respiratory system. Okay. So Angelina, please read the first question. All of you listen. Keep the workbook and listen with you. Angelina, please keep it some more distance.
Ma'am, we did it already.
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, first one. Read the first one. Catherine, please. Okay.
Which of the following is not a part of the respiratory system?
Okay, read the option.
Nose, windpipe, lungs, intestine.
Intestine. So, which is the answer? Please tell.
Intestine.
1 minute.
Intestine.
If you are shouting out like this, how can the others hear? I called Angelina for reading and telling the answer. All others, please wait. Okay. Next, Madhav, no need to do any claps. Okay. Next one, I will call this Richard. Richard, please read the second question.
What are protected by the rib cage?
What are protected by the rib cage? Okay. Can you tell me the answer?
Lungs.
Lungs. Okay. I think all others have to check it. Okay. Tanya, please mute it. Next one. Chinmay.
Yes,
Chinmay.
ma'am.
Okay. Read the third question.
That separates the lungs from the stomach and intestine.
Okay. Can you read the answer also?
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm. Okay. Everybody check it. Okay. One more question is the one more. Manu. Read the fourth question.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth question.
Ma'am.
Manu.
Ma'am.
Yes. See,
Ma'am?
so- yes. Read
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Fourth question.
We take in that from the air.
Okay. What is the answer?
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Okay. So I think now it is time to wind up. We can discuss these all questions in the next class. Okay. Until then.
No, ma'am, 2 more
Thank you, ma'am.
4 minutes.
Bye, ma'am.